By default, WordPress relies on PHP's unauthenticated mail function to send emails. Because this setup lacks proper sender authentication, key messages like password resets, customer receipts, and contact forms often get marked as spam or blocked entirely. Admin Optimizer solves this problem. Its powerful email and SMTP module gives you complete control over your mail delivery, ensuring your messages are signed, trusted, and successfully delivered. When you open the module, you'll land on the SMTP Settings tab. This is where you replace unreliable server defaults with a trusted, authenticated third-party service in just a few minutes. This screen serves as your central command center, establishing a secure baseline for your entire site's email system. Here, clicking the Email Provider dropdown reveals the extensive range of supported services. You will find native, built-in support for popular providers like Gmail, Mailgun, Amazon, SES, SendGrid, and Brevo, alongside a custom generic SMTP setup. Selecting a powerhouse provider like Amazon SES dynamically changes the interface. It displays custom options, including AWS regions, so you can easily link your account without wrestling with manual server configurations. Switching to Gmail is just as straightforward. The module instantly locks in the correct mail server settings for you. This is a massive time saver because the essential host settings are pre-filled, preventing any human error. For secure delivery, you can select your preferred encryption type. We strongly recommend using secure protocols to protect your email data while in transit. Based on your selected email provider, the SMTP server address updates automatically to match your provider. If you want to use a different provider, select Generic from Email Provider List and manually enter server name. Make sure to pair your encryption and port correctly. If you choose TLS encryption, use port 587. For SSL, use port 465. Getting this combination right is absolutely crucial for establishing a successful connection. Next, input your SMTP username and password. Below that, set your from name and from email. Make sure this email matches your verified sender domain, as most SMTP hosts will block outgoing messages if they do not match. As you scroll down, you will find optional safety features. You can enable warnings if your security keys change, force your verified sender details across all other plugins for strict brand consistency, and activate the built-in delivery log. Before going live, use the built-in Send a Test email tool. Simply type in a recipient address to verify that your credentials, ports, and server details are perfectly connected. With everything verified, click Save Changes to establish your secure, site-wide default routing. Now, let's move directly to the SMTP Profiles section. Unlike typical SMTP plugins that limit you to a single mail setup, Admin Optimizer offers a massive advantage: unlimited profiles. This is a game changer for growing websites. Creating multiple profiles means you are no longer forced to route every single email through one single account. To create an alternative pathway, click on the Add SMTP Profiles button. This reveals a fresh, independent configuration panel identical to the original SMTP settings. You can easily fill in the details to set up a dedicated profile for heavy marketing campaigns and keep a completely separate account for your urgent password resets. Once your credentials are in place, click Save Profile to add it to your library. Your new profile appears instantly in the Active Management grid. Here, you can edit, disable, or run dedicated diagnostic tests on any individual setup. Let's move to the Email Routing tab to see how we put these profiles to work. This is where the magic happens. You can map specific WordPress email categories to different profiles. For example, you can route transactional WooCommerce receipts through a dedicated service like Mailgun and send bulk newsletters through a cost-effective alternative. The profiles you set up will show next to each email type here. For custom needs, enable the Advanced Rules engine at the bottom. This gives you unparalleled control, allowing you to route emails based on specific conditions. For example, if an email's subject line contains a specific word, like partnership, you can direct the system to bypass standard routes and use your direct support profile instead. To build complex routing workflows, simply click Add Routing Rule to stack as many conditional parameters as you need. Moving on to the Send Email tab. This is a massive value add. Admin Optimizer builds a full, rich text email client right inside your WordPress dashboard. You can draft professional HTML emails, utilize carbon copy options, and manually pick which SMTP profile to send from without ever leaving your site. To make this tool incredibly convenient, you can pin a quick mail shortcut to your top admin bar or add a composer widget to your main dashboard screen. Just check the boxes and click Save Changes to make email access truly omnipresent. Now, let's check the final piece of the puzzle, the Delivery Log tab. This tab serves as your site's flight recorder, tracking every outbound email status, sender source, and active routing path. If a message ever fails, you get the exact error code from the receiving server right here, without bloating your database with the actual email contents. This level of granular, reliable control is what makes Admin Optimizer stand out. Best of all, this comprehensive email and SMTP system is just one of 49 essential optimization modules included in Admin Optimizer. Instead of buying and managing dozens of separate, bulky plugins, you get a single, lightweight suite. Elevate your WordPress operations and secure your email delivery with Admin Optimizer today.